So hello, and as always, welcome back to Learning MG. So here we've got the Callaway Opus, here we've got the Callaway Jaws. I think they are both pretty good clubs. I would say that the Callaway Opus is a little bit a difference in the sense that I have been using it lately. This is the 52 club and this is a 58, but it is true that I think the technology has evolved. There's almost 7 years of difference between this club and this one, and I strongly recommend that you give them a try. I mean, the quality of the actual clubs it's pretty much amazing, but I would say that Callaway has evolved. The Opus has such a great shot once you hit it in the correct spot. Meanwhile, the Callaway Jaws, I think, is a little bit more imprecise. Both are great clubs, but I would reckon that technology has evolved. And if you buy two clubs of the Opus, the 52 and 58, I would reckon you're gonna notice, especially once you hit it straight on the actual point that it should. It's just so much the actual take on the actual ball, the striking is just pretty much amazing, and I strongly recommend that you give it a try. Let me know in the comments what you think, but I would say the Opus is currently one of the best models of Callaway.